Rust is one of the most silent killers of a car. It doesn't strike fast, it spreads slowly and destroys everything from the inside out. And the worst part? Most drivers don't realize it's happening until it's already too late. But in Japan, car owners take a completely different approach. They follow simple, consistent habits that stop rust before it even gets a chance to start. No expensive coatings, no complicated tools, just smart daily care and attention to detail. From protecting the underbody to regular cleaning routines, every small step plays a role in keeping corrosion away. These methods are one of the reasons Japanese cars often last for decades longer than expected. Today, you're going to learn the exact techniques that help stop rust from your car. Let's dive in. Method number 1. Stop ignoring your undercarriage. Most drivers focus on keeping their car clean and shiny on the outside, but completely forget about what's happening underneath. And that's where real damage begins. Your car's undercarriage is constantly exposed to dirt, water, mud, salt, and road debris every time you drive. Over time, this buildup starts causing rust and corrosion, silently eating away at critical components. The scary part is, you won't notice anything until the damage is already serious. Parts like brake lines, suspension components, and the exhaust system can weaken without any obvious warning. But the fix is simple. A regular underbody wash and occasional inspection can prevent years of hidden damage. Taking care of what's underneath doesn't just protect your car, it ensures it stays strong, safe, and reliable for the long run. Method number 2. Clear hidden water drains. Most cars have hidden water drains built into places like the doors, roof channels, and trunk, but almost no one thinks about them until something goes wrong. These tiny pathways are designed to quietly carry rainwater away from your vehicle, keeping the interior dry and protected. Over time, though, dirt, dust, and leaves can clog them completely. When that happens, water has nowhere to escape and starts pooling in places it shouldn't, inside doors, under carpets, or near electrical components. The damage builds silently, leading to rust, strange electrical issues, and even moldy, foul-smelling interiors. And by the time you notice it, repairs can get expensive. The good news? Clearing these drains takes just a few minutes and can prevent all of this. It's a small, often ignored detail, but keeping them clean protects your car from hidden water damage and keeps it healthy for the long run. Method number 3. Apply protective coatings. Most car damage doesn't start where you can see it, it begins underneath. Your car's underbody is constantly exposed to water, mud, salt, and road debris every time you drive. And over time, this exposure leads to rust, corrosion, and hidden structural damage. The worst part is, it all happens quietly until it becomes serious and expensive to fix. That's why underbody protective coatings are so important. They act like a shield, creating a barrier that protects metal parts from moisture and prevents rust from taking hold. This not only preserves the strength of your vehicle's frame, but also helps extend the life of critical components like the suspension and exhaust system. It's protection you won't see every day, but you'll definitely feel the difference in the long run. Take care of what's underneath, and your car will stay stronger, safer, and last much longer. Method number 4. Fix paint chips immediately. Paint chips might look small and harmless, but they're actually the starting point of much bigger problems. Every tiny chip on your car exposes bare metal underneath the paint, and once that happens, moisture, air, and dirt begin attacking it immediately. This is where rust starts quietly forming, slowly spreading beneath the surface without you even noticing. Over time, what was once a tiny spot can grow into serious corrosion that weakens the body of your car and leads to expensive repairs. The good news is, fixing paint chips early completely stops this process before it gets worse. It's a simple and quick repair that protects your car's surface and keeps it looking clean and well-maintained. Acting fast on small damage doesn't just save your paint, it saves you from much bigger problems down the road. Method number 5. Inspect car battery tray. Most drivers never even look at the battery tray, but it's actually one of the first places where rust can quietly start forming. This area is constantly exposed to heat, moisture, and sometimes even small acid leaks from the battery itself, creating the perfect conditions for corrosion. Over time, rust can slowly eat away at the metal, weakening the support that holds your battery securely in place. If left unchecked, it can also start affecting nearby electrical connections and lead to unexpected system issues. The danger is that all of this happens hidden from plain sight, so you often don't notice it until the damage is already serious. That's why a quick inspection every few months is so important. Catching rust early allows you to clean and protect the area before it spreads. It's a small habit, but it can prevent costly repairs and keep your car's electrical system stable and reliable. That's all for this video. These simple Japanese techniques can save your car from hidden damage. Stay consistent, and your car will last longer than you expect. Subscribe for more tips, and see you in the next video.